This is OPPO A77 and today I would like to show how you can set up and use the nearby share feature on this device. So to start, I recommend that you turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Then amongst the available notification panel tiles, find the one that says nearby share. Here it is in my case. Then touch and hold at its icon. From here, in order to activate the feature, you will obviously need to turn on the switch. Now you can rename the device if you want to. You can manage your device visibility mode, disable or enable it, as well as restrict it if necessary. I will not restrict it because I don't really care about the privacy threats that it might bring to the table. And finally, you can change the data mode that will be used for the file transfer, and you're all set. Now let me quickly test this feature out and see how well it works. So I will share the screenshot that I've just took. So let's see. Alrighty, so as you can see, the screenshot or the file was successfully sent and received, thus transferred. So that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching and bye bye.